you're experiencing account sync issues in Call of Duty, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes sync problems arise due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Call of Duty completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the game cache can help. On consoles, this usually involves restarting the system or clearing the cache from the settings. On PC, you can delete temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account such as Activision to your console or PC. This can refresh your account settings and resolve sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate account sync issues in Call of Duty. Happy gaming!